This is Paul. Paul just started to produce trance music. He's got a lot of creative ideas, but his tracks always seem to sound muddy and it's missing power and clarity. A friend told him that low-cut filters are by far the most effective way to create more power and space for your kick and bass. These filters attenuate frequencies lower than a specific cutoff frequency. So Paul put some random low-cuts here and there, but didn't achieve the desired results. Let's help Paul cleaning his mix using low-cuts. When kick and bass of a trance track are fully playing, other sounds don't need to have frequencies below 120 Hz. They would disappear behind the bass anyway, but at the same time create a muddy low end since they take up a part of lower frequency space. So setting low cuts on your sounds will not affect them in a negative way, but instead help the kick and bass to cut through the mix and appear more clear and clean. We don't need our lead synths to have a low end while the bass line is running. The human ear can recognize the fundamentals even if they are missing. Remember, finally your mix should just sound great, even if not every synth sounds overwhelmingly good when you're listening on solo. In many cases, it's even recommended to set your cutoff between 150 and 250 Hz. This also applies to snare and percussion. Hi-hats low cuts should be even higher, somewhere between 1000 and 2000 Hz. To make sure all the low cuts on your sounds are well placed, you could create a group track with a 120 Hz low cut. Make sure to separate the sounds from intros, outros, fills and breaks. For your kick and bass, you can choose a cutoff between 25 and 40 Hz depending on the root key of your track. Sometimes it's better to let your mastering engineer set these low cuts, because wrong settings can cause phase issues and change the sound of your kick drum or bass. Low cuts also remove unwanted noise and humming in your recorded sounds or bad quality samples. Please keep in mind that low-cut filters are also called high-pass filters. It's just from another point of view. So Paul is now able to create more room for his kick and bass using low cuts. Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more Psytrance production related videos. Also check my own Psytrance production and mastering service that you can find in the description.